Hello and welcome back to Science Surgery. So here is another video. This time we are looking at how to determine whether a relationship between two variables is inversely proportional or not. Here's another exam question. So determine whether the relationship below is one that is inversely proportional. You should use data from the graph below to, in your answer, and we can see it's worth 3 marks. So you might be looking at this graph and thinking, yes, that does look like an inversely proportional relationship. But if you watch my previous video on directly proportional, we need to prove it using the data. So just to recap, so you don't get confused, for directly proportional, we used this mathematical relationship here. So y equals k times x. However, this time, because we are looking at an inversely proportional relationship, we have a slightly different formula. And this time we have y equals k over x. So just like last time, we're going to look to rearrange this for k. So our answer, or our value for k, should be constant. So you can rearrange that. I know lots of people use triangles. I'm not saying that's the best approach, but if you do, then let's plug these 3 values in. So we have k at the top, and we would have y and x down the bottom. So therefore, if I rearrange for k equals y times x. So just like last time, we're going to pick some values for light intensity, or the y-axis, and the equivalent point on the x-axis for resistance. So I'm going to pick this nice little value here, so k equals 5 for my y-axis and 10 for my x-axis, and that equals 50. I'm going to pick another easy point to read off, so I'm going with this one here. So should be the same if this relationship between light intensity on my y-axis and resistance on my x-axis is inversely proportional, then k should be, or should give me the same value, so 50 again. So this time on the y-axis I have 1, and on the x-axis I have 50. Oh, look at that, 1 times 50, 50, they are the same, and therefore we have proved mathematically that this graph is inversely proportional.